Hey guys, welcome to a new 100-second tutorial, and today we will talk about different camera sensor sizes. Let's go! Over the last decade, there are tons of different cinema cameras out there with different sensor sizes. It's actually hard to rank them, okay? There are the Super 35mm, there's a Red Raven sensor, there's a Red Monstro, an ARRI sensor that is even bigger. But in general, in my opinion, I think it's possible to rank them in Micro Four Thirds, APS-C or full frame sensors. The other sensors are similar to them, okay? Except, of course, the Red Monstro and the new ARRI sensors. They're outstanding, okay? But in general, it's possible to rank them in those three categories, okay? So what are the differences between these? First of all, of course, the size. You have full frame sensors, which are of course bigger than APS-C sensors, and APS-C sensors that are bigger than Micro Four Thirds sensors. But the main point about sensor sizes is that they affect your aperture, okay? So as bigger the sensor size, as more aperture or light will go into the camera sensor, okay? As more light will be compressed to an image, so that creates detail and better image quality, but also a narrow depth of field, okay? The big problem with these different sensor sizes is the lens coverage, okay? Because most of the cinema lenses out there are made for Super 35 or for full frame sensor sizes, okay? If you want to use a full frame lens on a Micro Four Thirds lens, you need of course an adapter, but the problem is that it will crop in because every lens creates a circular image onto the camera sensor, and every camera sensor documents a rectangular form or format of this image. On full frame cameras, the image will be big. On Micro Four Thirds cameras, the image will be smaller. So you have a crop factor of 2 when shooting on a full frame lens, but on a Micro Four Thirds sensor. Okay, there are options with a speed booster. We will make another video of it, but keep in mind that you can't use every lens on every camera sensor, okay? Or you can, but it will affect your image quality and your focal length, and of course your millimeters, okay? So when you use a Micro Four Thirds in a full frame lens, it will crop in by a factor of 2. So that means if you have a wide angle lens of 14mm, it will crop into 28mm, okay? So yeah, hope you liked the video, hope you have an idea of what different sensor sizes are out there, and see you in the next one. Bye.